everyone, welcome back, and today as well we have another video for you all. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and reset your Instagram password in case you have forgotten it. And before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, let's go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first of all, you gotta open your Instagram app. Once your app is open, that's basically gonna look like, right? So for, let's say I have a particular account and I forgot the password. So for me, those two accounts password are saved. If I tap on them, the account's gonna open. Let's go ahead, tap on this, log into another account, and what you're gonna do is you're simply gonna enter your username, your email address, or your mobile number that is connected with your account while creating your Instagram account. Enter the information, and here in password section, which you have forgotten our password, what you're gonna do is you're gonna tap on this forgotten password option instead. Again, what you can do is, first of all, go ahead, enter that information. Let's say if you have entered email address, then you will get a confirmation code therein to reset your password in an email. If you have added your number, then you will get a code. Once you enter the code, you will be able to enter a new password, and you will confirm it again. Then you're good to go. You will be able to reset your password for your Instagram account in case you have forgotten it. So this is the way you can solve it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.